Hey everyone, welcome to the Multi-Focus Hub. Today we will learn how to make trial balance. Trial balance can be prepared in two ways, from ledger and from normal balance. From ledger, first we make ledger and we post BD side, means brought down side. This is ledger account, so this is cash and capital bank account. Here BD side is this side, we post this side. Capital, house rent, output GST, CGST, SGST. This side we will post in trial balance. BD side, balance brought down. And from normal balance like this, opening stock, capital, furniture, building, etc. This side will go from balance. This is normal balance, and from here we can make trial balance as well. From normal balance, capital, liability, all capital and all liability will go on credit side. All expenses on assets will go debit side. Revenue will go on credit side. So this is revenue is based on capital niche. So this is a simple trick by which you can learn which side will go on debit side and credit. This clear, CLEAR, clear. C for capital, L for liability, E for expense, A for asset, and R for revenue. Now before making trial balance, we must know why do we prepare trial balance. Does this mandatory or not? So let me tell you guys, it is not mandatory. It is just to prepare. It is prepared just to check for mathematical accuracy of transaction in journal and ledger. If there is any mistake in our trial balance, means total debit side or credit side doesn't tally, it means we have making mistake in journal or ledger, so we must check that. Reason why we should prepare trial balance: help detect it helps detecting errors and give overall idea of account ledger, ensuring credit and debit are equal. This is the first step in preparation of financial statement of a company. Now let us make trial balance from normal balance. This is the format. Serial, we have five columns: serial number, head of account, and ledger folio, debit side and credit side. This is the format in the books of, if it is given in our question, then we must write like K Gupta or Bhattacharya, whatever name it's given. Then trial balance as on the date which we are preparing for. This is the question. Return outward means purchase return. This is an expense. Amount is 1600, so it will be goes on debit side. 16,000. Sorry. And the second one is opening stock. 30. Opening stock is our asset, so this will be going on debit side. 34,200. Salary is our expense. If in the 1200, 12,000. So fourth one is creditor. Creditor is a person whom we on credit side. Let us see the amount. Creditor 28,000. So we are getting serial number is 1. We must write serial number, guys. If you will not write, then in exam you will getting. Bank is asset, debit side. 45,000. Carriage inward and carriage outward, both are our expense, will go on debit side. Commission receive is our income, will go credit side. and discounts allowed is expense, debit side. Purchase is expense, debit side. Bills, pay bill means it is liability, we have to pay the money of that bill, it will go on credit side. Debtors, it is our assets, so debtors is our assets, so it will be going on debit side. 15,000. Carriage inward is expense, debit side. 5,000. Capital is liability, credit side. Machine is asset, debit side. Return inward, return inward is sales return, so it is our expense, will go on debit side. Discounts receive, return inward sales return, debit side. Expense, discount receive is income, credit side. 4,000. General expense, debit side. Sale, credit side. Furniture, asset, debit side. This is the overall balance, 2 lakh. I am making a mistake in the first balance, which is return outward is purchase return, it is our income, will go on credit side, so you have to correct this. And this is the overall balance which have been tally. This is our answer, and this is how we make trial balance.